Welcome to our countdown of the top breakfasts in the United States. You lot think you know breakfast? Think you can handle the heat in this kitchen? Listen up, because we're about to turn your sad, soggy breakfast into a culinary masterpiece. Today, we're not just listing them, we're also showing you how to make them healthy and delicious. Get your aprons on, you donkey. Pancakes. A breakfast staple, but most of you are doing it all wrong. We're starting with a classic, pancakes. Stop using that processed rubbish and grab some whole wheat flour, you hear me? And for God's sake, add some fresh bloody fruit. Berries, bananas, anything but those sugar-laden syrups you're so fond of. We'll show you how to make them healthier by using whole wheat flour and adding some fresh fruits. Get those pancakes golden brown and fluffy. None of that pale, doughy nonsense. Next up, the omelet. A dish so often butchered, it's enough to make a chef weep. We'll use egg whites and load it with veggies for a nutritious start to your day. That's right, ditch those greasy fillings and pack it with fresh vegetables. Peppers, onions, spinach, mushrooms, don't be shy, get them all in there. Avocado toast. Even you lot can't mess this up too badly. We'll use whole grain bread and top it with a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra health benefits. But we're going to elevate it, make it something special. A sprinkle of chili flakes for a kick, a drizzle of good quality olive oil, maybe even a poached egg for those who dare. For a refreshing option, try a smoothie bowl. But this isn't some sugary concoction you'd find at a fast food joint. We'll blend up some spinach, berries, and a banana, then top it with granola and nuts. This is a breakfast of champions, packed with nutrients, bursting with flavor. Finally, the Greek yogurt parfait. A simple dish, but one that can easily go wrong. Layer Greek yogurt with honey, nuts, and fresh fruits for a protein-packed breakfast. Use Greek yogurt, not that sugary rubbish. Add a drizzle of honey, some chopped nuts for crunch, and a mountain of fresh fruit. There you have it, the top breakfasts in the United States made healthy and delicious. Now get out of my kitchen and go make something of yourselves. Try them out and start your day the right way. And for God's sake, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips.